Anything yet. Well, it might be the catch of the day right here, boys. No worries, do-do-do-do-do-do, on the day, do-do-do, 'cause everything is gonna be alright, do-do-do-do, no worries, do-do-do-do. Here we go. Poor got him out from underneath that log there. Yeah, little sunfish. No worries, on the day. Let me come up there and get the pliers, get him out there. Dang old treble hooks. Yeah, right over underneath that log. Might just be mostly sunfish in here. But hey, here's what it is. Pretty decent size there. Got a little nibble there. Hanging out underneath the bridge. Honestly, where you would expect them to be at. Staying over here in the shade. Right as I was pulling him up out of the water too, man. These little guys right here. What in the heck? Oh, yeah. There's the biggest one of the day right here, guys. Piece of that log out there. Water's high right now. Alrighty, so we stopped at that one little creek and caught a couple of sunfish. Figured I would at least come down here and make a few casts before it gets dark. Spot over here is water's up a little bit, but it ain't no doubt about it, guys. It's fun. And you know, I've been debating on do these videos for TikTok, and I finally made me a YouTube channel. And thought about trying to do some longer videos on it, you know. I mean, I'm just You know, I'm just out here trying to have fun. And I mean, if you like it, I mean, I'm gonna be posting more this summer as much as I can get out and do it. This is what I love to do, is hit these creeks and just wade them and just have a good time. Like I said, I love just catching anything that'll bite the hook. I mean, this bug thing I'm trying out here, it's something new. Heck, I mean, first time I, you know, put it on here, and I've caught a few fish on it. Ooh, there's another one. Might be a little bit more bigger on this one. A little bit bigger, maybe. Okay. Okay, some a rock bass. There we go. All right. Woohoo! I'll take that all day. Heck yeah, buddy. I will take that. Hey, this is the 5th fish I've caught over here. I love catching some good rock bass. Come on up there. There you go. Oh my goodness gracious. Where you at? Walk over this way. that's just, man, that's fun to catch right there. I mean, I love smallmouth fishing. You gonna look at him, babe? Man, I'm telling you what. Check it out. Little rock bass. Hey, they love this little June bug thing. They're loving it. All right, we're gonna let him go. All right, there, dude. There you go, big dog. Watch him take off. Oh, beautiful fish, beautiful fish. There he goes, just sitting there. Well, we're catching fish. I mean, I can't complain about catching fish, but goodness gracious, man, that amazes me. I don't think I've ever had all these little suckers just, man. Time to really react. Another one. Oh my goodness. Well, I mean, that is wild to me, brother. What kind of a little thing is that right there? Look at that. See, I don't really know much about it. He's got the little snout going. I say that they like this little thing at least. I mean, that's a good sign. I feel like a lot of them be feeding down through here too. It's got good action on it, no doubt about that part. I'd like to get over that other bank. That little thing, man, he hit it right as it hit the water. Right as it hit the water. That's hilarious. My thinking was, with all the cicadas coming out of hibernation, you know, I wondered, seeing something like this, something that they get used to. Ooh, that's a hit. There we go. Good little hit right there if I can keep him held on here. He hit that thing right as it hit the top of the water there, baby. Look at that. All right then, I'll take him. Oh, and he come right off of there. Okay, well, that's pretty cool. Right as it hit the top of the water, boy, he slammed. What I'm using here is a Rebel horsefly. just something different, man. I figured with all these cicadas that are going to be active, that you never know, that might be the saving grace. There'll be that old horsefly. I'll try to venture out into this over here, I think. Water's a little cold, not too bad. Alright, we're gonna try it right over here. Water rolling pretty good down through there, ain't it? Shit. See that water rolling almost. Guys, here's what not to do with it. Get that treble hung right in the end of your finger there. It wouldn't be the first time that I've done it, but it is what it is. We'll try to cast back up towards the, see what kind of a situation you'd be in coming over this direction right here. Should have built it. Step down right here and just walk this out here. Down in through there. Here we go. Here it is. Little sunfish, man. These sunfish, they love this thing, brother. They do. These sunfish, they love it. In the road, it's called a gun. There we go. I love it, guys. I absolutely love it. Love catching them. There you go. Got Lori and Reese sitting in the car. They done gave it up for the day. I just couldn't help myself. I had to at least come down here. Got another little spot here we're going to try out before it gets dark. Ooh, well, it went where I wanted it to, but I did not want it to go into that. Ooh, now it's attached to that one too. If I get it off of one, I'll go up and snag that one. Ooh, did not want that hitting your full force. I even got up into that. Okay, well, we got her undone there. Oh, I got line hung here. Yeah, that might be it for the day, guys. I got a little bit of line hung up in that. I'm gonna have to mess with that. So, overall, good day of fishing though. So I had fun. So, it's another spot that I know we can come. Alright guys, standing here on the side of the road, done fishing for the day. Went to 3 different spots, caught at least 1 fish in every spot. 3 spots I'd never fished before, so that was fun. But thank you for watching if you did. And if you like what you've seen, you might subscribe and like, guys, because I'm going to be posting these videos every chance I get this summer. I'll be out hitting the creeks, me and my wife, and probably my little sister too. But thank y'all, and